What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel once again, and in today's video I'm going to talk about something that you might want to get your hands on, especially if you want to connect your hard disk or solid state drive to your computer or laptop externally with an added feature of hot swap. Yes, it's Orico 6218 US 3 hard disk drive docking station. So let's get right into it. Orico 6218 US 3 is shipped in a decent and durable box, including a user manual, a greetings card, a 1 meter long USB 3.0 cable, a power adapter, and the 6218 US 3 hard disk drive dock itself. The power adapter is rated at 100 to 240 volts input with 12 volt 2 amperes output. And the USB 3.0 cable is durable, sturdy, and different than the regular 3.0 cables. So definitely, Orico hasn't compromised on the cables as unfortunately some brands do. The Orico 6218 US 3 dock is light in weight, made of ABS material, and is very durable. Its price is $24 at the time of review. Speaking of the unit, it is glossy all around, giving it its own impression. There is Orico logo on the front, and on the back you get USB 3.0 port, a DC input port, and an on-off switch. On the top is the retractable cover, which allows both 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch drives, and a small LED indicator which blinks when there is data transfer going on. On the bottom, 4 rubber feet allow the dock to stand its ground and provide enough friction to keep the unit steady. This HDD dock features overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, short circuit protection, overheat protection, and earth leakage protection. It supports up to 8 terabytes of hard disk drives or solid state drives. Since it is made of ABS, the heat dissipation is amazing, and the maximum temperature I achieved was around 20 degrees Celsius of hard drive and the unit both, after a 50 GB data transfer in the ambient temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Now Orico 6218 US 3 hard disk drive docking station supports UASP or USB attached SCSI protocol to deliver a fast data transfer speed, but make sure to connect your docking station to the USB 3.0 ports to achieve its maximum potential, because it's relatively a new technology. Alright, so right now there is only one thing that I do not like in this docking station, is that there is only the retractable cover for 3.5 inch drives and not for 2.5 inch drive, and there is a complete empty space which welcomes the dust just underneath the SATA ports and the power port. The HDD docking station on my Thermaltake Chaser A71 full tower casing is amazing in its feature, as both 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch slots are covered with the retractable cover. Alright, so finally here are the speed test results which all of you guys have been waiting for so long. So these are the results. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to ZeeForce Gaming if you haven't already. Check out the purchase link to Orico 6218 US 3 which is in the description below. And as always, I'm Zarwan from ZeeForce Gaming, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.